This home cook is back to take on Mega Bowls once again. For real this time. Can we make their Nashville Hot Chicken tender meal that is way better but also similar in price? This is Thawed Out. The number one thing I have to say about this is soggy. I mean, it's just swimming in its own juices and mashed potatoes. Honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna bother with the mozzarella because it's just so lost in here. And why did they only give me 2 strips? I mean, come on. At least give me 4. I will give Mega Bowls the one little teensy bit of credit, and that is that the color on the chicken is quite nice. So, good job, Mega Bowls. You did one thing right. Mashed potatoes aren't salted as usual. It's really trying to use the hot sauce to make up for the fact that it doesn't have flavor. Chicken isn't crispy, and it's a little chewy. There's no competing flavors in this, not even salt, so it really is just heat. All right, let's thaw this recipe out. Nashville Hot Chicken is just like breading any other kind of chicken, so hopefully some of this sounds familiar. First, cut a chicken breast into tender-sized pieces. Next, we make our flour mixture, which uses about 2 or 3 cups of flour, then whisk together smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, MSG, seasoned salt, and pepper. I never measure this stuff anyway, I just throw it all in. That makes me a good cook, right? Right? Now to make a batter. It's similar to the batter from my previous video featuring seasoned fries. Check the card, please give me the views. The batter uses 2 eggs, 2-ish cups of milk, a hefty squirt of hot sauce, or in my case, sriracha, the superior major retail hot sauce. Fight me. And then add a few tablespoons of pickle juice. And finally, let's prep our hot Nashville sauce to coat the fried chicken in. Whisk together about 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna die. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and a tablespoon of paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Now you might be thinking to yourself,
Eric, that looks like a dry rub to me.
Well, yes, because it's not done yet, but we'll get to that in just a second. I plan on deep frying my chicken in a Dutch oven, but if you don't feel like doing that, feel free to just shallow fry it instead. Just make sure your oil is getting up to about 325 degrees. Coat your naked tenders in the flour mixture, followed by dipping it in the batter, and then once again into the flour to create extra clumpage. Lay the chicken away from you into the oil. You don't want an unhappy accident, do you? And take them out when both sides reach a golden brown look and place them on a wire rack. Once your chicken is all laid out and still hot, pour a cup's worth of your hot oil into the previously dry bowl of seasoning. Give it a quick stir and brush that hot mess all over your chicken. I don't know what it is about me making hot, spicy chicken tendies on this show, but I'm really into it. Now, the mashed potatoes are the exact same recipe that I used for my meatloaf video a while back. Click the card above to watch that video so I don't have to get new footage of that. So enjoy the SparkNotes version. Peel, cut into pieces, boil, drain, evaporate, mash, and mix in your milk and butter too while you're at it.
Everybody got that?
The frozen meal includes bits of corn, so we're gonna quickly throw some corn from the cob onto you guessed it, a gas stove skillet. We ain't boiling like babies, we're men. To assemble, slap on some mash, lay on your nash, and dump on your, nothing corn related rhymes with mash. Damn it. And for added green, sprinkle on some parsley. I know I'm a sinner for using this kind, but hey, I'm trying to keep costs down, okay? Needless to say, I think my version looks way more appetizing than the other version. This version isn't swimming in a soup, which I like a lot, so without further ado, let's try it. I really like the taste of the buttery mashed potatoes with the salty corn, but now it's chicken time. It's nice and crunchy, and it leaves a really satisfying heat in the back of my throat after I finish, which is very nice. If I really wanted to, I could have even gone a little bit more spicy with this. And Now it's time for a price check. This is what I paid for Banquet Mega Bowls, and this is what I paid for my meal. Is it worth it? Well, this literally gives you twice as many nuggets per serving, so what do you think? Wait a second, I just realized something. This is just a spicy famous bowl with no gravy. Thank you for joining me on this spicy edition of Thawed Out. If you were inspired to spice up your dinner with Nashville Hot Chicken, subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell for more Thawed Out.